Have you ever wondered why police officers read someone their rights on television shows and in movies, often using phrases like "you have the right to remain just silent"? That crucial moment traces its roots back to a landmark Supreme Court case, Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966. Miranda versus Arizona was fundamentally about protecting an individual's Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination and their Sixth Amendment right to counsel during police interrogation. The Supreme Court ruled that statements made by a defendant during custodial interrogation cannot be used in court unless they were first informed of their rights, and then knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily waived those rights. This significant ruling came about because of concerns that the inherently coercive nature of police interrogations could lead to involuntary confessions. Ernesto Miranda himself was arrested and interrogated without being informed of his rights, leading to a signed confession that was later used against him. The Supreme Court recognized the imbalance of power in such situations, determining that explicit warnings were necessary to ensure that individuals understood their constitutional protections and had a fair chance to exercise them. For you, this means that if you are ever taken into custody and questioned by law enforcement, you should be read your Miranda warnings. These warnings include the right to remain just silent, that anything you say can be used against you in court, the right to an attorney, and if you cannot afford one, an attorney will be provided for you. If these warnings are not given before custodial interrogation, any statements you make may be excluded from evidence in your case. It is important to remember that these Miranda rights only apply when you are both in custody, meaning you are not free to leave, and being interrogated, which means police are asking questions designed to elicit incriminating responses. Simply being asked general questions by an officer on the street, or voluntarily speaking to police without being detained, typically does not trigger the need for Miranda warnings. Furthermore, the absence of a Miranda warning does not mean you are automatically free to go. It only affects the admissibility of your statements. Ultimately, Miranda versus Arizona stands as a powerful reminder of your fundamental rights when interacting with law enforcement. It ensures that you have the knowledge to protect yourself from unknowingly giving up critical protections, safeguarding the fairness and integrity of the criminal justice process for everyone.